So now, so let's make this flag. Let's make it small. Before that, let's put all these in a folder. As right up, I copied it. I not delete it. I copied it. Right up, right up. That is it. So I'll paste everything inside back to format the document. So now let me give this flag. I don't even need to put it in a div since it is only one image that is in right up. So let's do it like this. So this is what you are getting. This is what you are getting. So that flag is too big. Let's reduce the size. I can use inner styling. Let me use it as 40 pixel. You can see after I reduce it to 40 pixel, you can see how it is very small. See how it is small. Instead of span, let me use both. Let me use P instead of span. Let's just use P instead of span. That span is giving me some problem here. This is P. So that is it. So this is what we are getting. So this API. So let's start with that API. Let's start with that API. So API dot write up, write up. Let's make everything come to center. Test align center. See, let's see what our code is bringing. So you can see everything is in center now. So now let's API. Let's give this API um class of okay. Let me use ID instead of class. ID API. So I'm just going to call it direct. So now hash instead of dot ID instead of dot API. I'm not going to use dot because it's not class. If it's class then I can use dot, but now it is ID, so I'm going to use hash. So I'm happy. So font size. Let me give it 50 pixel. Font family sans serif. So you can see how that is big. So let me make it bold. Font weight. Let me give 600. So you can see. Let's look at our image back. So it is color green here. Color green, the color of the back of this thing. I want to check the color code. It's color green. So now let's give it a color of green. So that is the color. So same thing to Nigeria. Okay, that flag is too small. Let's make it bigger. So let us give it 70 pixel. See this Nigeria. Let's give it an ID of. We can give it an ID of anything. But I'm giving it Nigeria. Let me give this one to an ID of independent. ID independent. Ash independence. Independence. Okay, wait, Nigeria first. Nigeria first. Nigeria first. Ash Nigeria. So what am I giving Nigeria? Font size. Font size of 80. Okay, let's use 70. 70 pixel. Font family. Same font weight. Let's use this. So independence. Independence. Let's use the same thing as this as for independence. So this is what we are getting. Use it. So in the beginning of our code, I want to write something. Hash padding 0, margin 0. So you can see this is what I got. The meaning of this hash is that the meaning of this hash here is that anything I'm putting inside this curly bracket, inside this hash attribute, it will affect all my code automatically. It will affect all my code. Look at it now. Let me this mo up now. If I put p, if I put p, if I put color job, if I put color as black, everything in my code, all the color will be black. All the colors will be black. That will be the default color. Everything will be black. But I've given this one green here. That's why it's not black. Okay, let me use something that will show. Let me use background color. Let me give everything a background color of blue. Let's see. Can you see? It showed in all my code. All my code. So anything you put here in this hashtag, it will affect everything. All of your code. Sure you get. So that is it. That's the difference. So now, so this Nigeria, let me make it 800. Boldness. You can see it's very bold now. See, now we're talking. Now we're talking. So now let's give it the color of green also. So now let's make this Nigerian flag a little bit bigger. Let's use normal let's use normal um external styling for it. So dot right up image. Dot right up image with give it 100 pixel and height same thing. Height 100 pixel. See what we're getting. See, instead of pixel, let's use lem. Let me use start lem to make it more very fast. So you can see lem is working perfectly. Lem is working perfectly. Lem is working perfectly. So let's give it 15 and 7.